Gold and silver just hit a new high. Gold is over 5,000 and silver is up almost at 106. Right now, we can see this completely parabolic move. We see it just broke 5,000. This is Sunday, Jan 25. So on Monday, we should be well above 5,000. Looking at the silver chart, we see we're at 104, looking like it wants to get up to 106, 107. I'm thinking the 5,000, we're going to hit 5,500 probably by February 1st. I'm thinking, just given this trajectory right here, this is absolutely parabolic. Silver also tracking the exact same way. We will probably end up getting to 120 or 130 sometime early February. I'm guessing. And it's just going to keep pushing. Some people have this going up to maybe 1,000 an ounce. For gold, we could be looking at 10, 15,000 an ounce sometime in the near future. Maybe in a few months, maybe a little bit longer, but it's happening. I want to be clear: the breakout isn't just the price went out. It isn't just the price went up. It's a real unprecedented breakout. The main driver is geopolitical risks. We've got invasions, incursions, trade wars, tariff wars, banking de-dollarization, central banks. All of this is pushing the price of precious metals up, gold and silver. The dollar's crashing. You look at the dollar index; it's going way down. Just not too long ago, silver was at like 70 an ounce. This was like in early January. It's already over 30% of that. So this is crazy. So here we got an article from Reuters. Gold surged to record 5,000 an ounce on Monday. And yeah, as it's saying, it has to do with the escalating tensions between U.S., NATO, and Greenland. It has to do with Ukraine and Russia. It has to do with the fact that Donald Trump's putting 100% tariffs on Canada. So all of these things. So gold is 64% in 2025. 64%. That's never happened before. Silver is up 150% since 2025. And just in January, they're both up quite a bit. I mean, if we look at just the 1 year, we're looking at what is that? What percentage is that? I'm seeing it down here at sorry, not the 1 year, the year to date. Let's look at the year to date. So the year to date, we were at 43 start of the year. Now we're at 5,000. That's gone up $700. That's 15% for gold. Just in January, it's not even over yet. It's not even over. For silver, let me see what that is. Year to date, that is 46% year to date, and not even 30 days, not even 1 month. We're up 46%. So you would have put in $1,000, you'd be up over $400. You would have put in $1 million, you'd be up over 400,000. That is insane. This is stuff that everyone is looking at, all the trading desks are looking at, and given this rise, I mean, I'm honestly thinking we're going to get to 130 by February, early into mid-February, 130 for sure. Gold, we'll get to 5,500 in February for sure. It's going to happen. I mean, 15% on gold, 46% on silver. It's just going more parabolic. You look at this chart. This is the 1 year. The 1 year looks kind of, spiky, not too crazy. But look at the 5 year. You see something insane. I mean, this is not normal. And then if you look at the all time is literally insane. I mean, this is just straight up. No sideways movement, just straight up. Same thing with silver. Look at the all time, straight up. So, you know, we can look at this, but
Silver, as if they needed it, getting a boost again today. This from geopolitical tensions. And let's listen, they've had a mind-boggling run. You can see right there on your screen. And you don't have to be a gold or silver bug to understand that this amazing move in precious metals has a lot of components to it. Now, of course, the big question is how much more room to the upside? Joining me now, Highcroft Mining President, CEO, Diane Garrett. Diane, first of all, you got a gargantuan fan base. They have been demanding that you come on this show for months now. The stock has been absolutely on fire. We're going to talk about your company and the stock in a moment, but let's talk bigger picture for a moment, because this move in gold seems to have been sparked. Maybe the invasion of Ukraine. We took Russia off the SWIFT system. Central bank.
so as you can see, you know, they're saying that it's the Russian situation. However, they're not talking about China. China is a really, really big driver of this. China recently froze their silver exports, so they're no longer exporting silver. They also injected trillions of dollars into liquidity into their paper money system. So, you know, if you look at something called asset market cap, right? Asset market cap, you'll notice that the Chinese yuan is at 48 trillion. So it's beating the dollar. Dollar's at 22, Chinese yuan's at 48. So they recently just injected a lot of money into the system, and what are they doing with that money? They're buying up gold and silver. They're stopping exports of gold. They're stopping exports of silver. They're stopping exports of most metals, and they're leading the BRICS currency, which is a new currency called the unit. BRICS, the unit currency. It's saying it's proposed, but I heard it was already out. And you can see here that it has a structure that's backed in 40% gold, 40% physical gold, 60% a basket. Right. So it was announced early 2026, late 2025. So it's already out. It's already being tested right now, pilot program. So they've already released it in small circles. This is a game changer. This means that what happened in 1971 with Nixon, let's look at that, Nixon shock. It's happening now again, but for a different reason. So the Nixon shock was the problem that happened when the United States dollar went off the gold standard. This was in 1971. So what's happening now is the same thing in reverse. The BRICS currency is going on the gold standard, which is putting pressure on the dollar. So the dollar went off the gold standard. BRICS is going on the gold standard. It's the reverse. It's the inversion. But it's not good for the dollar, as you can see. I mean, gold and silver are parabolic. They're going to keep going up. And if you got a brain right now, you'd be buying gold and silver to preserve your purchasing power, because everything else is going to go down. So I'll keep you updated on that, but that's the update on gold and silver.